Hello and welcome to Healthy Kitchen 101. I'm Matthew and this is an unboxing video of the Nesco VS-12 vacuum sealer. I'm going to open up the box and see what's inside. Here, as you can see, the vacuum sealer itself is quite big and it comes in a protective plastic bag. Here are all of the paperwork that it comes with. Here's a warranty card and the user manual at the front. At the bottom, there are two rows of plastic bags in two different sizes. Let's take it out of the bag first. So at the top, you can see the control panel here with all of these physical buttons. It's a very elaborate control panel. So opening up on the inside, here is a heating bar. From the look of it, it has two heating bars running concurrently. And here's the vacuum channel with a foam seal around it to make an airtight seal for your vacuum bag. And here is the bag holder for you to put one of these plastic bag rolls inside. And here you can see the integrated cutter for you to cut your plastic bag. And at the bottom here, there is a grommet at the back for you to store your power cord. So now I'm going to take off all of these cardboard cards and I'm going to plug this in. When the power is in, the buttons are going to light up. And let's do a small test with one of these plastic bag rolls. So the way you do it is you take one of these rolls and you put it into the bag holder here, lift up the cutter bar, and then you measure out the exact amount of bag that you want. Then you put it down and you run the cutter over. And there you go. You have a section of bag that you can use to store your food. And as for the bag roll, you can just leave it here and you don't have to worry much about finding a storage space for your plastic bag roll. Anyway, now that's demonstrated, I'm going to take another section of the bag and I'm going to seal off one end here. Since this end is opened, let's seal it up. Locking it in place. When the lid is down and the lock clicks in place, the progress screen is going to light up. So I'm going to use the manual seal mode. The progress screen displays the exact progress of the operation, and after that I got a nicely sealed end of a bag here. I'm gonna cut this out with the cutter bar and got myself a nice food bag. With this, I'm going to fill it with 500 grams of dry rice grain. Putting this into the vacuum channel here. Set it down, engage the lid, and I'm going to use the vac seal mode to vacuum and seal up the bag. When the progress screen reaches 0, open up the lid again, and there you go. You have a nicely packed, vacuum sealed bag of dry rice grain. At a glance, the bag is very well done. There is no air bubbles inside, and it's tightly packed. The sealing is done very well. There's no chance of leaking there. So my overall impression of this vacuum sealer is that it is a very well built. It's made mostly of plastic, with the side here made from a type of metal, I think aluminum. The control panel is very elaborate, and I really love this progress screen here, which allows me to follow along as the sealer works. And of course, the variety of modes here make it really versatile. I can vacuum pack dry or moist food, as well as there's also a special mode for vacuuming marinade and liquid. And there is a canister mode that you can use with a separate air hose plugged into this port. One thing that I've noticed about this vacuum sealer is that it doesn't come with a complimentary air hose. That you have to buy separately. For other models that we have tested, the air hose is included as part of the package. So that's one drawback. Inside, I really like the bag holder and the cutter, and of course the heating bar works really well. So that's it for my unboxing and initial review of the Nesco VS-12 vacuum sealer. It's a pretty good sealer, and I'm pretty confident that a lot of people are going to fall in love with this model. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of these videos from us, do give us a subscribe. I'm Matthew from Healthy Kitchen 101. See you next time.